Alright, hopefully this is a quick video, because I don't like these ball earthers coming up on this flat earth page. Go on your spherical earth page. Okay? We're a part of the future being the history. You guys are all gonna be held as the stupidest people. Humanity has just become stupid by teaching all their children a lie. And I hate when they try to tell me, you know, all these. It's just like every time a ball earther asks me a question, you got to ask them the same question, but differently. You know, like somebody tried to ask me, well, if you're on a plane, how come it always goes to the same point no matter which way you go? And it's like, dude, are you a pilot? Did you go to school for that? Are you watching the radar? Do you know the landscape? No, you do not, because you don't know the flat map. You think you're probably passing over a country you don't even... Let's get to this point. Does this sound logical? If the Earth is spinning 1,000 miles an hour, how do you land a plane? Think about that. If the Earth is spinning and you're flying a plane and you're going the same way it's spinning, whatever, it's gonna take you a long ass time to get to your spot. You can't. You gotta map out where the Earth's. That's just too much. Do you understand how complicated just that is? Trying to land a plane on a spinning Earth, but you don't hear about that. You don't hear any trouble about that. You know? Let's talk about the things that we know are wrong. I'm tired of fluoride. It's like your guys' heads are fluoride. It's like I'll tell a ball earther, like, hey, dude, Earth doesn't move. Can you feel it move? They'll be like, no. And then they'll try to give me some stupid facts. It's like, wait, if that fact right there is true, then the Earth is fucking flat. There's no more going after more proof. If you can't even solve that, the truth never changes. The truth is not difficult. It's difficult to understand it if you're so far out in imagination you don't even know how to get back. I don't know what you guys are thinking about space. I had all those dreams too. Okay? So what? Anyways, gravity. I always prove people wrong with gravity. And then they give me facts about the fucking sun. If I just proved you wrong, if gravity doesn't exist, the whole fucking thing is done. That's the funniest thing about this whole situation, is that the facts are so simple that disprove 500 years of supposed science, okay, that people can't accept it. They can't accept that the destruction of their whole fantasy in their mind is by a simple fact that they never realized, that the Earth doesn't move. Gravity is still a theory, okay? It's density, okay? There's a reason why a leaf doesn't sink in the water. It just floats, okay? The water is denser. Anyways, just go grab a tennis ball or something, put it in some water, ball earthers, and throw it. And let's see how. Oh my God. I feel like this was a huge experiment to understand how powerful the mind is. Okay? The mind is powerful because we all thought there was aliens and shit. Like, you know, uh, it's unfathomable. It's unfathomable. Anyways, that was a rant. Sorry I've been ranting, but people just need to. We gotta fix the earth. You can't be focused on all this bullshit. The earth is collapsing. I mean, everything is all this historic weather and shit. Doesn't that seem kind of crazy? While flat earth is coming out, everything's happening at the same time, people. It's because some shit's gonna go down. And I'll tell you one thing. Once you go flat, you don't go back. And once you know that the earth was created, okay, yeah, it's created. You were created for a purpose other than working and being a slave. That's why I love the flat earth idea. This is my motherfucking house. 2, Earth is our earth, not your earth. You can't own Earth. They try to own Earth, telling us, hey, you can own Neptune. I don't want fucking Neptune.